how to add product reviews on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add a product review on your Shopify store. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So currently, as you can see on this product store, there is no option or any other way to add a product review. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and install an application. Now there are ways that you can add, let's say, coding, and coding is a better option because if you install application, it overall slows down your website because it has to load all the applications and stuff like that. But what I think is, since this isn't such a big deal, we can go ahead and install the application. That will be much more faster. So as you can see right here, there's nothing to indicate whether or not we can install it, whether or not we can go ahead and install a product review or not. So let's go ahead and do it. So over here into my homepage, as you can see, what we need to do is we need to click on the applications and go ahead and click on all recommended apps and then select the Shopify App Store, and it will open up the Shopify App Store where we can go ahead and install a bunch of different applications. Now, if you come over here, you can see there are a couple of applications that you can install. One of the best applications is called Looks, as it is built for Shopify, and it is a paid application, but there is a free trial if you want to go ahead and use it. If you don't want to use it, you can go ahead and click on the search option over here and search for product reviews. Like so, click on product reviews and search for it, and a bunch of different applications will pop up. So as you can see, this is an application that we can use. It's called the Judge Me Product Review app. There's two of them. I believe this is the ad. This is the application right here. As you can see, it says unlimited free product reviews and ratings. So we can use this one. The title one is actually very, very good. It is also free. There is a pricing plan, but it's optional, but it is free. It is actually much better in my opinion, but it depends on you. You can go ahead and use any three of these applications. You can even use this one as well. But in my opinion, these three are best because they provide the most options. And as you can see, a lot of people are using these applications right here. So this one, not a lot of people are using Title because it's underrated a little bit, because only 3,000 reviews over here. But if you look at Looks and Judge Me, there's 35 over here, 35,000 reviews for Judge Me and 21,000 reviews for Looks. So it depends on you. In my opinion, Title is much better. So choose whichever one you want. So this is how it looks like. So this is the Judge Me product right here. You can see some of the options that it provides. So there's SEO tools over here, ways to collect reviews over here. So you can collect reviews via email requests, SMS requests, push notifications, social media, form, service promotions. There are a bunch of ways that you can use in order to collect the reviews. Some of the displays options are over here. So you have testimonials, photo reviews, video reviews, star rating, badges, carousel media, bunch of stuff. And right here is the languages it supports. If we play this video over here, we can see some of the options that it provides. It looks overall pretty good. It depends on you. Right here you can see some of these images. So you can go ahead and install this application. I'm going to install all three of them, but to see which one is better. I'm not going to install Looks, as in my opinion, because it's a free trial and there is no free plan. I don't think it's worth it, although it is a pretty good application. If you want to spend a little bit more extra money, then go for it. But if you don't want to spend any money, then go with either Title or go with Judge Me. So let's go ahead and install Judge Me right here. It's installing and we should be good to go. We'll also install Title as well. Title, when it comes to a bunch of options, it doesn't have a lot of option. As you can see over here, the display option, it does have testimonials, photos, video reviews, star ratings, and all of that. Over here you can see how it collects reviews. Over here is Revo, Flavio, Georgia's Triple Whale checkout block. So you can see it works with quite a lot of people. It was formerly known as Revo. As you can see over here at the search bar, it says Revo Reviews, but they changed the name to Title Product Reviews. But either way, it's the same. So once it's installed, you can go ahead and set it up. So let me just install Title as well. Now to set it up, it's actually pretty simple. You can select which theme you want. So let's say we select the origin theme. I'll use Judge Me on the origin theme, and I'll use Title on the Dawn theme. Right here we have the app embedment. Over here, to enable the app embedment, we have to go ahead and click on this button. It's going to open up the editor and we can go ahead and turn it on. So this is the theme right here, and over here we'll turn it on. There we go. As you can see, this is deactivated. If you activate it, just simply click on save and you should be good to go. Now you will have some options to go ahead and add it, but now that that's done, let's go ahead and click on continue. It's installed, the widget is done. Now we install the review widget as well. Click on the link it's going to take you back to the editor where you go ahead and install the widget. So right here is the review widget. All you got to do is just drag and drop it. Right here is the review widget, and you can go ahead and move it around. It depends on you. So over here, we can move it up, down, wherever we want. And over here, if we click on it, we can go ahead and edit it out. So we can see this is like a sample of it. But yeah, when someone goes ahead and reviews it, this is how it will look like. A little bit different, but this is how it looks like. Then we'll save it and go back, click on continue. Then you can go ahead and install star ratings as well. And over here, this is how it looks like. This is the star ratings right here. As you can see, we can see it right there. You can move it up and down. Let's say we want it right underneath the price section right here. There we go. I think this is much better. This looks much better. Then we'll save it and move on to the next step where we have the branding. Here you can add the store logo URL. It is optional. If you want, you can change it. It depends on you. Then click on next, and then you have the request time. So here you have automatic review request times. So over here, domestic orders, after the order is fulfilled, send the review request after 14 days. I would say send it after 10 days or maybe even a week, depending upon how long it takes for them to receive the product. So let's say usually it would take 4 to 5 days. So I think 4 to 5 days looks much better. And then for international, 14 is fine. And then click on finish. And then you can import the reviews by clicking on import reviews and import all the reviews that you currently have onto your website by here or any other website that you use, and then you can import them. If you don't, you can go ahead and click on manage reviews, and then over here you can add them manually like here. So pretty simple. This is a good application to use. Let's go ahead and view it as well. So let me go back into the online store theme and open up the store in another tab. So this is the one that we use. We'll click over here and click on preview. And here you will be able to see it. We need to edit the store and we need to go ahead and customize it as well. So to add the reviews into any of your product store, open up the editor, click on the block. Right here, as you can see, click on the blog, and here we have apps. We'll click on apps, and here we have the options right here. So here we have the star ratings. We'll add the star ratings over here and move them right here underneath the pricing section. There we go. And then we click on the blog, and then we select the product that we want to review or import the stars. So currently the product is the ceramic waterfall. So we'll go ahead and select it. Should find it right here in this list. If we don't, we can search for it. Click on the product, click on select, and there we go. Now, whenever someone reviews it, be able to go ahead and import the stars over here. So over here, we can customize the settings in JudgeMe to import all the stars and all the reviews. And we'll also add another option called add section and click on the review text over here. We can add carousel, review text, section metals, whatever you want. So let's go ahead and add the review text and see what it looks like. So over here, and move it as well. Let's move it up a little bit above the video section. So here is the stars right here. So whenever someone, leaves a review over here, the block that we added over here will automatically be updated as well. So this was Judge Me. Let's go ahead and review title as well. So for title, it's actually pretty simple. We can go ahead and just pin it over here so that we can see. So I've used title before. It's actually pretty good. So let's go ahead and view and enable review widgets. Over here, it's disabled. We'll click on enable. And this is how it looks like. It's actually very simple to go ahead and add it into your store. So let's go back over here. Go into online stores and then click on themes and go into customizing themes, and we'll go ahead and enable the widget right here, app embed. We'll go ahead and enable title, click on save. So now we have title. So just in case, if we go ahead and open up any product, we can see the stars right here. So this is why I like title. It's just so simple. You open up any product, you don't need to set it up manually like Judge Me. You just install title, reviews, and enable it, and it'll automatically add all the necessary options in your store. So as you can see, we already added the stars. We have the write a review option down below. We can go ahead and add blocks as well by clicking on the app button, and here we have the option right here, but it depends on you. Since we already have it, we're good to go. If you want, you can go ahead and always edit it as well. So for example, if you click on the apps, click on the title app, you can go ahead and, customize it as well. So let me find it. Let me view it, pin it to navigation, click on manage apps. And over here, you have view branding your settings. So if you click on view brand settings over here, you can go ahead and edit it out. You can change the star options, like change the how you like stars. You can make it fill or full or empty. It depends on you, how you like it. And you can go ahead and change the color of them as well, color of the text, and how people would write reviews. So it's pretty simple. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you add reviews into your Shopify store, and it's very easy. So let me know in the comment section which one you would choose, either title or judge me. But in my opinion, title is a little bit better, but you can choose whichever one you want. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.